Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni melawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan Lum Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Haga arpun rir terik unai luar arjar arpo. Nakaliang joko office ke Deputy Commissioner East Coast Hills District. Kalau lum langi kinong sensiar sinong kebriu nyutrem. Banyak theriatai bat banwat dru ikilat kilenti. Kumno banyada ya kajing sapriang jong kunyang jingpang corona. Ha East Coast Hills kabalong kawai negi district. Hapo kajala Meghalaya. Kabala syak tak bha na kajing ebet. Jogi pat ba nong shong yau niyo kunyang jingpang. Hakini kajing elang kabala long ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong. Ka office jong ka Deputy Commissioner. Kala yai pen ken mau biang. Ya kajing theriatai. Ki bala dep ya keren ru. Hakini ki benai bala dep. Hakabai day bagi senjam banyada ya kajing sapriang juga kelam jingpang corona bat ban ajing pentep ru iki kendon niki protokol bathamai ki bak sorkar kila penmi kenang bagi pat ba nong snong kejela kin buat renti hagane kajing lang kumba arusan god ya iki nong senchar snong balawan mi khmat naki dorbar snong ba per kilawan bani shimenta hakaba lai don lang ru ki doktor u superintendent of police ka East Coast Hills District uba Sylvester nong tenger ki magister bat kiwe.
So now if I am infected with the virus, I may be transmitting the virus to anyone who is close to me within a range of 2 meters if I don't use a barrier, right? And the only barrier is the mask which I should be using. So even though most of us are aware of this, still most of us tend to forget about these things. And how does other person get contaminated? One is when we are very close. Second is through the objects which are contaminated. That can be the door handle, that can be any surface or any object. So that is why we always have to keep in mind that any person whomever I meet may be a silent carrier of the virus, and any objects that I touch may be a contaminated object. So if we all keep that in mind, I think we'll be able to slow down the transmission of the virus. If we talk about the incubation period, the incubation period means the time taken from the time the person is infected till he starts developing symptoms, and that is from day 1 of infection up to day 14, right? And you can take it as average of 5 to 6 days time. So within 5 to 6 days time, the person who is infected may develop the symptoms. And what are the symptoms of COVID-19? So as we all know, we all have learned, we all have heard very often that the main symptoms are fever, flu-like symptoms, cough, and breathlessness, right? But now as time has elapsed and we have received so many cases, we have seen that there are other symptoms as well, not only those symptoms which we knew about earlier.
Bun ki kam ki dia day bat kajing penyat ke awareness kajing sapriang jing tip bat kumnu ban handle li ki cases ni don kam shisha ya kajing trilang jong ki shnong ki prepare ni layu I apo ka nong ba shlong ba don shisha kata ka jing ai jong khati kamon ka diang kajing trilang jong ki poshnong dingkan bat district administration dingkan bat ke health department barok we tikani meeting menta kasni ka long tang ka jing pen kan mau halor bun ki bangla jiokren menshwa kumjo ru ban ai jing tip shapam ki protokol ki notification ki bethamai ka bang sarkar kala penni kini kisni ki ladem ki bakenthop ya ka discharge protokol ya ki briu ki bla koj na ka ni ka jingpang ka bakenthop ya ki protokol ya ki briu ki ba room ko ami na po ka state bat ki wei de kumjo ru ban ai awareness ha ka jing don kam ban penja no ya ka jing tieng na ni ka jing smusir ha pedeng ki no ka ba nong snong tingi layo shisha ya kata ka discussion ya kata ka jing kren ka jing tainia ka jing emerging mood ka balong constructive ngalaban ong ki nong sensation nong kila ai bun ki inputs ki feedback dan ki jing ai jing mood yangi don na ki ngila ban take up don ki ngin hap ya discuss ngin hap ya ra shaki bol ki kham halor kadang bangin ya pet ki long feasible ni em hende kalong shisha ke ba long meaningful hadu kata-kata pat ngait banang ni syakmat rungin dang yo asu ya ka jo ka jingi trailang bat ki por penya sno nong sin charge nong ka pri u trap ngila khot ki ban wanra kumba artho sangut ki member dan ki rang ba sno na ki zone sani ni ki cluster ki ba pher ban long kum ki in ong ki long mikpat na ki benta ki rang ba sno ba ro ki lawan na ki cluster ki ba pher bat kum joru na ki municipal area na ki bam ha hapo kajing penpet jong kirang ba shnong ni lakhot ya ki member jong ki welfare committee ki turu ki layan kawe ka badan kam kadai ka jing hikai lani ka jing ka in ong no awareness building halor ka protocol jong ka sarkar ka biadai bat ka home isolation jong ki positive asymptomatic cases lada don ki brio ki bam don kanu kadak asin ki bakran ha ka bormet hendai ki blood test positive mentangi tip baki corona care center ki ladap smam don jakashu ban bo yaki tingi kwa ban encourage ban penslur no ki brio baki la ban pediang ki la ban bo yakum kini ki patient hayeng la jong lada kishna ya kajaka ka babiang lada kadon kajaka ka bakila isolate lada ki caregiver lani ki nong penpet ki bahiyang ba semru ki la ban maintain ban penbet penbiang ki jing don kam jong ki baro ya kene ngi kwa ban penslur no ki priu namar ngim la ban tip hakanu ka por ki case kinang la ban kiu kat banang mi ki sngi ngi yo ki case kinang bon kala ban don ka por ba ngim don jakashu hakini ki corona care center te yakini ki mild lani ki asymptomatic cases ngi kwa ban penslur ki priu ki don ki protocol ki babiang ki don ki ong no kita ki jing hikai ki babiang halor kani ban ngwa ki priu ba kiru kin long no ki balong aware lani ki tip shapam kini ki
ini ki ba yo positive ro ba ngin hapan pediang no ki dong ki jongi ki yeng ki sam ki jong ki henry nakaliang ka strong ni patpa bodon ki ja yeng ki bom lo jenang ta ka daw boros kata ki dor bar strong ki patot kam ni ki yeng school man bu ki returnis henry menta kan ni pat la long ba patkalai ki ki school syaki corona care center te pan le kata kalong ka ka bae han kaliang ki dor barsnong ki dor barsnong di ma su bersiu kaliang ya koi ko ya dor barsnong ke bala set up ki to ki center to pon ta ki returnis ki dor barsnong ka bae lai ki seo ko wifi penbiang ki seo ko penbiang ki yat pahara barok simet ban pensengan itu returnis bahasa itu ki center ki jongki henry minta pat la dabu ia ki balong positive hak itu ki skol kalong ka bae than nakaliam ki dor wasnong bat apro manu ban sim ga dikit kle ban khoj ban siat dawai ban itu ki skol na ta ta ngi skol ba kade kamram jong ka government pakan khot ki principal ki headmistress jong ki skol ba her hak itu kisnong ki badon southern to ligi school markum balong menta la sim yaki class 10 11 12 ban pelong school iki kataru tangi ki bakwa ban one ski school da kajing yo jingbet niki kme ki pa pat kitu ki student ki badon kam ni kajing yarap jong kinong hikai ban yo jing pensha tilang ni sim yaka average dong koi ke school san rewot shphawot duk na ki wan ko ke school tela dala ban sim lagi nuksa kum hajaya pulut kibun ki school kasih Joseph kajaya Presbyterian school kedan bakum ta terda la de penlong na tang ko ke school ban ai gitu ki coaching classes iki bat ko government ka sim ye jingkit khali kawan syakmat ban ya keren bat principal headmistress yang ki school ban penkala corona care center iki bat ka government ka sim ye jingkit khali ban kan tip maka jika disinfectant berput di school ndala de pendekam kan biak sibo bat ke jinglot jing sepro kalong ke bajur jika wei poi ke dor basno ilesai borba tarong songsnong naga fon snong bat hakani ka kenti menta kino ma su naga bor snong ban bayik pisah ban penbiam kumtang ni tepat yo government ban nakaliang ke government the district administration but government hi kin sim lang ni kecil kli hakalut kasep namta man putkelai in corona care center kawai pat hang na kaliang ni kasunjuk kinang sensyar senang keberi nyota kai bangi lama hapana April hajing khat no jong lit doktor John Silo tolong ba keladai kapor government penbiang di DCB marngilatip bagi SOP bagi protokol yang bayap COVID undai bati jingtap kembati ikini kiwai tang berupot bala penlet dobri henrai kadai baik hat arpot di don kam buat penbiang di DCB kaba arpat kilum jingtap babon kisnam kim dai kilum jingtap jong kasnam ni di ban soto ya kata kilum jingtap kidei kijong kibalang kibapher kenuksa kum hanongra dan bedok handai teli kilom tikap hanongra henrai kasnong kamla ban ongi kibalang bafisya kontep kibayap covid hakilom tikap kijong ki kataru kade ka kamram jong ka government but the district administration ban kuat ki pastor kinong penyat balang kibapher menyasyong hagajing yalang rengkat bat ki dorwa senong ki rangba senong ban yu penbek long nem long kabala bat kapoin kebangi ngisno badan kamai menta kum keni crematorium kebadan hunje po jalpara don tangkau nrai rada jab kajing yak kakiu kumbalong skiwei pat ki benta jong ka perthai ki wei ki jela jong kari India bat ka perthai hi para poi kum hayura ka jing yak kapoi ki South Park sisngi sanu ni bo itu kimadia tiga government kalau dai ka porika bakan perkhat ban kumno sakawai ka extra crematorium namenta ban penbiang di kita bang government kalau dai ban pentre kajaka bakan thiet kan sim kumno sipau arpau itar nelai ko sopau itar ban pentre lupa ba ubom don rukom lani lada kibalang kimsya bantep iki covid patient kibayap hakilum tep jom ki banyo bantep lang kum kita jaka kata kadai ka jing ajumot ka jongi na kaliang kasunjuk ng sensya ng